Stillborn Chapter 18। और ये यार ऐसे गे तरह से इसके पैर पे चिपड़ा हुआ है। चलो कोई नहीं कोई नहीं। He is following at an amazing pace. Can you see the rest of the Boom Boom family? Where are they? I don't see him in the dark. I don't see him at all. It's dark. He's been following alone. तो एक बंदा इनको फॉलो कर रहा है और वो बूम बूम फैमिली से नहीं है, पता नहीं कौन होगा। And he and he's kept the same pace since like 3 hours ago. All of our horses are at their limits. There's something queer. Who is that? Queer? एक सेकंड, क्वेयर का कोई और मतलब होता है क्या गे के अलावा? There's something queer, जैसे गे खुश होता है तो क्वेयर कुछ होता होगा वियर्ड या अलग टाइप का। हो सकता है। There's something queer. Who is that? Did they have the riding skills like that? And that weird looking hat. Is he really one of the Boom Boom family? I've seen it before. और फिर इन्होंने देखा। Who else would want to follow us at this time of night? If we let them get near us, that magnetism will start acting up again. We need to get to the watering hole before them or it'll be a dirty mess. We still have 15 kilometers to go, damn it. और ये पूरी जोर से टेक ऑफ कर गया, लेकिन ये बंदा अचानक से इनके पीछे आ गया। जय। और ये पास आते ही जा रहा है। जायरो, व्हाट द फक, ही इज ऑलरेडी क्लाइम्ड अप द रॉक्स। वेट, आई नो हिम। नहीं, वेट, आई नो हिम। यू आर राइट, ही इज नॉट वन ऑफ द बूम बूम्स. Why would he be chasing us through the night? That speed, it's abnormal. Mountain Tim. What do we do, Gyro? We have got to lose him. What else? We can't let anybody get close to us in this desert stage. Nobody would be following us at night without some fucked up reason. और ये आया Mountain Tim. The murder of three participants is Johnny Joestar. It's hard to believe, but those prints led me to him. Either way, it's certain that he used his cursed ability for the murders. But I will arrest him and put an end to this, dead or alive. Man, what the hell kind of speed is that? Nahin. Man, what the hell kind of speed is that? He's already climbed up the next set of rocks. It's supposed to be uphill. How is he accelerating? No. No, Gyro. I'm starting to understand. The situation isn't what we were thinking. Could it be? He is accelerating. But that's not all. We couldn't tell because we were running, but that's not all. I am being pulled. My body. It's being pulled from behind. अच्छा, तो ये उनकी तरफ पुल हो रहा है और वो लोग इनकी तरफ. The metal from my harness is flying towards me. Oh shit. और ये गिर गया क्योंकि उसकी तरफ खींचा जा रहा है. जॉनी जो क्या ये क्यों क्या हुआ? अच्छा, ये भी उड़ा और इसने पकड़ लिया, पर इसका जो बेल्ट है जो यहाँ से सैडल से लगा हुआ है वो इसके हाथों में नहीं, हाथों में पैरों में, हाथों में घुसा हुआ. We did it. They fell. Amazing. I knew we could count on Mountain Tim to enter into the magnetic circle. It's perfect. Now 3 of them still have to come together. Hey. Daddy, let's go see. I want to get loser and loser ही लिखा है ना? I want to get closer, sorry. I want to get closer and see their intestines blow up and fly out. Yeah, Dad, I'm kinda getting chills and everything's blurry. I don't think I'm alright. Chills? Do you think that's what's important now, Andre? Now it's not the time. और फिर ये गए, ये उनका सारा सामान लोहे का पीछे छूट गया, दोनों के घोड़े भाग रहे हैं और दोनों गिर चुके थे. My body too. Since when I am a magnet too? Johnny, when did they touch you? They must have. No bloody idea. But wait. अबे बात तेरी, समझ नहीं आता मुझे. कभी कभी ये वापस नॉर्मल हो जाता है, कभी कभी नहीं होता. एनीवेज, वी हैव टू गो स्टील बॉल रन मांगा chapter 18, then back down to where we were. F11 और ऑलमोस्ट चैप्टर खत्म ही हो गया था शायद, क्योंकि हम इधर थे. हाँ. Johnny, when did they touch you? They must have. No bloody idea. It could have been the bullet. When Benjamin Boom Boom shot that bullet, there could have been something on it. Shit, we have to find them. Where are they? They must be controlling the magnets from somewhere. और ये पीछे देखता है. Maybe it's not the Boom Boom family anymore. Mountain Tim. I don't know why he's chasing us, but this only started when he got close. और ये उनके पास खींचे चले जा रहे हैं दोनों. जॉनी तो ज्यादा, क्योंकि जॉनी हल्का से ज्यादा पास है. हाँ, जॉनी, what are you doing? I'm being dragged from behind. I'm telling you. You too, Gyro. और जायरो भी स्टार्ट हो चुका है. It's Mountain Tim. They must have touched him somewhere as well before he even realized. We are being pulled by Mountain Tim. The three of us, we are all pulling each other. It must have been too weak when it was just the two of us. But as the three of us get closer to each other, the magnetic strength grows and multiplies, pulling us towards him while he accelerates towards us. तो अब ये दोनों यहाँ हैं और वो माउंटेन टिम इनके पास आ रहा है और ये मैग्नेटिक फोर्स जो हमें दिखा रहे हैं. Why hasn't he fallen then? He hasn't realized since he's running forward. What if he comes up here? The skin on my arms is beginning to tear. The iron in my blood must be collecting together. We can't let him loose. We can't let him get close, sorry. Otherwise, all three of our bodies will probably explode. चलो इनको पहले पता लग गया कि क्या होने वाला है. ओहो, यहाँ तो थोड़ा थोड़ा जोस्के की जगह लग रहा है, पर कोई नहीं. We need to get his attention. Tell him to get off his horse now. फिर इसकी शक्ल दिखाते हैं. What? Why is Johnny Joestar off his horse? Gyro Zeppeli is there too. They're yelling something. I can't see with this dust cloud. He can't hear us. He's charging right in. Even if he could hear us, it's hard to imagine he'd get off his horse so easily. If we don't tell him that he's a magnet, by the time he realizes, we'll all be dead. Alright then, let's drag him off. Urya! No! No way, Gyro, it won't reach! The steel wall will get pulled back to you since you're magnetized. It can't go that far. I know, Johnny. I'll return because of the magnetic force. Metal will come towards me. But that return is fine. It should be enough to force him off his horse. अच्छा, तो इसने बूमरैंग की तरह यूज करेगा इसको, बॉल को. ये पत्थर पे लगी, ऊपर जाके ये सब नीचे गिरने लगे. इसकी स्पिनिंग बॉल वापस इसकी तरफ आ रही है और ये सब गिर रहे हैं ऊपर से पहाड़ी से. तो अब इसको शायद उतरना पड़ेगा. I scattered some dust from the rock, but this is gonna hurt all of us since we are magnets now. There's iron in those rock scraps. Brace yourself, Johnny. और फिर ये ऊपर देखता है कि है क्या हुआ, और फिर सारे आयरन वाले आके इसके अंदर चले गए और जॉनी के अंदर भी और चारों के अंदर भी. वाह! I did it, Johnny. I dragged him off his horse. What is this? This force, what's pulling my arm? Instead of falling, my pistol is stuck to my arm. It's useless, Gyro. Too close already. We have come too close. तो अभी एक दूसरे की तरफ खींचे चले आ रहे हैं. He's flying. Mountain Tim's body is flying through the air. It's already too... sorry, गलत accent. It's already too strong. The force of the magnet has gotten too strong. He's charging through the air. My veins are gonna burst. तो ये आ रहा है इसके पास, जायरो ने पकड़ा हुआ है और इसकी वेन सच्ची में बर्स्ट कर रही हैं. माउंटेन टिम ने खुद को रोक लिया रस्सी से, अपनी बॉडी को रस्सी बना दी, और ये लोग ये देख के चौंक गए. हाँ, और ये अभी भी चौंके हुए हैं. I threw a rope. I can separate my body parts and transport them as far as the rope goes. I'm guessing in this situation when the three of us get close, something not so pretty will happen. चलो, सबको क्लू मिल गया और सब कोशिश कर रहे हैं ना जाने की. ये बहुत अच्छी बात है सिचुएशन है इस मोमेंट में. Seems like I misunderstood my suspect. Johnny Joestar, to whom does this magnetic force power belong? Tell me in detail, what is exactly going on here? What's wrong, Daddy? Damn, they'll get away. We need to cut that rope. अब ये उस रोप को कट करने की कोशिश करेंगे क्योंकि माउंटेन टीम को समझ आ चुका है कि असल में जॉनी नहीं, क्योंकि जॉनी भी इसमें फंसा हुआ है. तो अब होगा पर्दाफाश. देखते हैं चैप्टर 19 में.